In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in ClickUp. Let's get started by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, head to the space where you're managing the work that needs a file. A space is your top-level area for a project or team, so choose the one that makes sense for where the file should live. If you're not sure, think about where your task is located and go to that space from the sidebar. Next, decide how you want to view your tasks. You can use either board or list. Board shows tasks as cards in columns, while list shows them in a simple, scrollable list. Both work the same for uploading files, so pick whichever view helps you find your task quickly. Open the task you want to attach a file to. This brings up the task pane with details like the description, assignees, due dates, and comments. Inside this pane, scroll until you see the section for attachments. It may appear as an Attach File button or a paperclip icon. Click that to begin adding your file. From the attachment options, choose Upload File. This tells ClickUp you want to add a file from your computer rather than linking from cloud storage. A file picker window will appear from your operating system. Browse to the file you want to add. This could be a document, spreadsheet, image, PDF, or any supported file type related to your task. A quick tip here. Choose a clearly named file so teammates instantly understand what it is without opening it. If your team uses naming conventions, stick to them for consistency. Once you've highlighted the correct file, click Open. You'll see the upload start right away. Give it a moment to finish. Larger files may take longer depending on your connection. When it's done, the file will appear in the attachments area of the task, often with a thumbnail or file icon and its name. That's your confirmation that the upload worked. At this point, you can continue working in the task as usual. If you need to reference the file later, it will be right there in the attachments section. Consider leaving a brief comment in the task to explain what you uploaded and why, so collaborators have context. Also, make sure you have the right permissions in the space if you don't see the attachment option. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a file to a task in ClickUp, keeping everything your team needs in one place.